Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm on vacation right now, and we've got a sweet little Mitsubishi mini split in our unit. There's 3 of them in the unit in the place where we're staying, and I just want to go over a little overview of these because a lot of people don't really know how they work. So this is just going to be a basic video on it. I'm going to talk about some of the stuff to know with the thermostat, and that's really the main stuff to know, just so you know how to operate it. If you come to a place and you have a mini split, or maybe you're renting a place for the year and it's got a mini split ductless heat pump in it, I'm just going to show you how to use the thermostat. Hey, stand by, Bubba. I have a rental back home, and my tenants, it's midwinter right now back home, and the people who are renting from me, I guess I failed to clearly explain to them that it does heating and cooling. So they had been using it, doing the air conditioning all summer, and then midwinter they're wondering why their house is not real warm. And so I want to show you, just to make sure that you know that this does heating and cooling. So I'm going to go over the thermostat now. So this is the Mitsubishi thermostat. It's fairly self-explanatory. The on and off button does just that. And then you've got the temperature controls, up or down. Vane, it changes a little indicator on there. If you hit vane, it articulates the fins there. So with this type of mini split, if it's like really up high, you can adjust these to face more directly down. So it would push that cold or hot air down lower. Or you can hit that vane button and make it articulate so it moves back and forth. And then the main thing, the other thing is just that it does cooling and heating. So right now on the screen, you can see it says cool. Obviously that's blowing out cold air. But the nice thing about these mini splits is that they do heating and cooling. So if you just hit, well, I'm in a warm climate, so it says to keep it set to cool. But if you do mode, I'm not gonna leave it on long enough to actually click over, but I'm just gonna push mode. Drying, that would be like for dehumidifying. It would pull some of the moisture out of the air. Fan is just gonna move air around, so all that does is just blows air. And then heating, obviously that would switch it over to start blowing out hot air. I'm gonna set it back to cool because that's where the place I'm staying at, they want me to leave it there. And then that's the main thing. I'll go ahead and show you the vane button now, how it'll change the indicator right there. So it's just changing the angle that the fins are facing. And that's like, you would put it here if it was like 10 feet up on a wall and you want it blowing down into the room. And then this is articulating. So this will just have it be moving back and forth. I don't know what that last one was, and then fan, that will just, this controls the speed, the intensity of the fan. So that's like blasting out, and that's kind of like super slow. So that's the overviews of how a Mitsubishi thermostat works. Hopefully you found that helpful.